Hello everyone! Today we're talking about something your doctor may have asked you before. Have you had any ear problems? It might seem like an odd question when you're feeling dizzy, but there's a good reason for it. What's the connection between your ears and dizziness? Inside your ears are tiny canals filled with fluid and sensors. These help your brain understand motion and position. Common ear-related causes of dizziness include inner ear infections, vestibular neuritis, Meniere's disease, benign paroxysmal positional vertigo. That's why your doctor asks about your ears. It's often the key to solving the dizzy puzzle. Can these problems be treated? Yes, many of them can. Treatment depends on the cause but can include medications, physical therapy, or simple repositioning maneuvers. If you want to dive deeper, there's a helpful book titled Doc I'm Dizzy. It explains symptoms and possible causes in simple everyday language. You can find it on Amazon or visit neurologist.us for more information. Link in description box below. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.